The faces of Lamprey Health Care. All extraordinary people making life better. Since opening its doors nearly 40 years ago, Lamprey Health Care has grown into a nationally recognized model of everything a cost-effective, efficient, and caring medical home should be. Its mission has always been to provide high-quality medical services to underserved communities. A decade ago, Lamprey brought this mission to Nashua.
In 2000, we were asked to come in and assist and take over the financially troubled Neighborhood Health Center. Our board supported us in this, and we also had the support of the hospital, and even more so the greater medical community.
Nashua has grown and changed in significant ways since 2000, and Lamprey has become a safety net for patients and a resource for both the medical and business communities.
Well, the underserved population as far as health care now includes the families that have been here for generations to families that have just recently moved here.
This is a true medical home in every sense for babies, children, teens, adults, and seniors. 58% are uninsured, and without Lamprey, the emergency room is often their only alternative.
And I believe that everybody should have a medical home. The emergency department is not a medical home. It's more for people that have urgent illnesses. But people need to have a medical home where they get their primary care, or in the Nashua Center, it's where they may have prenatal care, develop a relationship with their nurse midwife or an OB physician or family practitioner.
So here's your baby's hips.
Patients come to Southern New Hampshire through Lamprey's system because our hospital is able to provide a higher level of care with our neonatal intensive care unit. Also, through our residency, we're able to provide them OB/GYN care.
The Nashua Center offers much more than OB/GYN and primary care. Services such as diabetes management, substance abuse counseling, health and nutrition education all help people stay healthy.
So, este es un planificador de comidas. Aquí le muestra.
Lamprey's multilingual staff serves a culturally diverse clientele.
A lot of people feel more comfortable when they have somebody here that can interpret for them in their own language.
Este es un planificador de comidas.
This takes a different kind of healthcare provider whose sole purpose is to reach out to people and give them the best care they have. This is not a for-profit entity. It's not about money. This is about service.
And it's a service that Nashua businesses rely on and benefit from. It's a resource that needs and deserves community support.
So we have to make sure that we find a way to support it in any way that we can, whether it's partnerships or real dollars, to make sure that that medical home that people have found stays in our community.
The Nashua Area Health Center plays a very important role in our community, providing health care to the uninsured. And it's an important thing for employers because if the employees get good health care, they're going to be more apt to show up for work rather than being in the hospital.
The Nashua Area Health Center is bursting at the seams. It's beyond capacity right now, and the numbers continue to grow.
During the last 2 years, we have grown 27% in patient volume. We are needing additional facility space to meet the unmet demand.
We're very, very excited about the new building. We're terribly overcrowded now. We serve well over 5,400 patients in a given year here. And the new building, which is only a couple doors down the street, it will be a wonderful opportunity to meet that growing demand.
You know, it's almost to the point where people take for granted that it's going to be there.
It takes care of people who otherwise would fall through the cracks.
The Lamprey Health Center sees patients from all walks of life.
I have to tell you, I think it's one of the most well-run organizations I'm involved with.
Thanks to strong community support, Lamprey Healthcare provides a solution to rising healthcare costs. A medical home where people from all walks of life get the primary care they need and the tools to live healthy lives. Paid back many times over. To to the benefit of us all.